Hello, I am Pratyush Mishra from class 8. I welcome you in this video. I have made this working model to show solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. It has plastic balls, LED bulbs and a 12 watt DC motor. I am running it with a 3.5 volts lithium battery and its base is made up of hardboard, thermocol and cardboard. This is the sun, this is the earth and this is the moon. Solar and lunar eclipse can be explained with the help of this model. Let us first look at the solar eclipse. When the moon comes between sun and earth, then the shadow of the moon falls on a region of the earth. The people of that region are unable to see the sun for some time due to the moon. Then it is called solar eclipse. Now let's look at the lunar eclipse. We know that the moon doesn't have its own light and it is illuminated by the sunlight. So when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, then the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Then the people of that region of the earth are unable to see the moon for some time. Then it is called lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs on Amavasya and lunar eclipse occurs on Purnima as per Vikram Samvat calendar. You must have liked this model and the video. Thank you very much.